handrail banister by Cheshire Mouldings.
Cheshire Mouldings, yeah.
Yeah, AXXYS.
AXXYS, yeah.
Hand calibrate, 4 metres oak. Yeah, price was
125, I think.
125, delivered by Yo just now.
From Amazon.
From Amazon. Let's have a look.
So if you're thinking about buying one of these, what you can expect to receive.
Packaging looks good.
It's got a lot of tab here. So it's got a main box and 2 bigger boxes.
So you would think this was made in the UK, but the way it's shaping up could be Chinese.
Could be.
This be 4 metres, so in here I should find, if I'm lucky, 2 the stair rail, the oaky bits.
There's another identical box as well.
So this, we won't do them all. Okay.
Okey-dokey.
So basically we've got 4 of these. We've got 2 in here and 2 in there. Each is a metre long, hence the 4 metres. Yep. So I'm going to use the knife carefully on the end because it's going to get covered anyway. This comes with brackets.
What is actually, so it's
Supposed to be oak. So
if you look in the middle, there's almost like a square piece in the middle.
It's not coated, so it'll need treating or something. It's fair enough. Now, what we've got? Okay, on one box we've got a bag of screws. They look fairly good quality. We should have the brackets to hang them on. End rails. Let's just see what we've got in these boxes. Okay, I'll go through these in a minute.
Yeah, okay. I wonder what the MC and LHC is about, and RHC, right hand, maybe right hand, left hand.
Yeah.
Whatever.
So it should be another one of those in here. Right, okay. Right, so 3 of these. Basically that, you can see there's a flat edge there and a flat edge there. To join these on, that should fit there, and you put the other one in there and join it up basically. That's how it would. Okay.
And the countersunk as well.
Yeah, it looks quite quality, good quality.
That's metal, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
I think it is.
Hopefully. Sometimes you get this cheap plastic stuff.
I think it's plastic.
So when you're joining these up, you've done your cuts. That would be in the middle there like that, and that would be on the wall.
And you've got to space that right as well,
Yeah, of course you have,
otherwise it won't be sitting there properly.
And then at the ends are these end caps, which are quite right. They weren't too fussy. That'll sit like that, so you can see it's quite nice.
Yeah, it does look really nice.
And it'll finish it off. So just check the screws out. So you get 2 of them. Back in there.
Yeah, so you don't want to get scratched, do you?
Right to side, yeah. 2 of them, and you'll get 3 of these to join. Yeah. So we've got four of them, 4 metres each is a metre. Right, screws look good quality.
Oh, they're different size of wheels.
Well, just giving you 1 packet, I guess, for each. Right, so that bit there, these are for each section of banister rail. Yeah, that bit there drill a little pilot hole and you screw that in, and then you screw the other end onto it, and that helps join these together.
Okay.
So each pack, 1, 2, 3, with one of these in, just to join each piece of handrail together. And so that's 3 of those for the handrails. And then we've got screws for these. Now, they might be alright in wood, they're not that long. It's unfortunate that we don't have some nice chrome screws.
Yeah, I was
with
going
it.
to say actually, look, stainless steel or something.
We will probably swap these out for something twice the size with a chrome head on. But
oh, are they to go into the wall?
yeah.
Ah, right.
There was
So you
no
want
real
chrome
plunge
screws
with it
really.
by the looks of it. Let me just check the other box. The one good thing is,
Oh, there is, yeah, there's another box here.
the joiners and brackets all go on together nice and easy. So just 2 more than 4. So no raw plugs if you're putting it directly onto a wall. Yeah, it looks really good quality. I'd give it, it's a minor thing not having chrome screws for these, but yeah, you've got to have a 10 out of 10 for it, because it is substantial, it's nice. Yeah, so if you're thinking of buying a oak banister rail from
the,
Amazon,
what's in the title of the video basically.
yeah,
Just so we don't make any mistakes.
then yeah, I would recommend this one, definitely. We'll do another video when we've popped it up.
Yeah, we'll do
Okay.
an installation.
Thanks for watching.